welcome to Green Farm. I'm Nicki. I'm going to show you around our Oxford and Sandy black pigs and our suckler herd of native red poll cattle. Welcome to our farm shop, which is situated on the farm. The farm shop is open the second and last Saturday of every month. We also attend Creek Abbey Farmers Market, which is one of the largest farmers markets in Norfolk, and also a farmers market just on the outskirts of Norwich. We have our red poll leaflets, information about us, the Oxford Sandy and Black Pork leaflets, Porklicious book, and usually our fridges are full. Everything that is sold in the shop is homebred and produced on the farm. Just thought I'd bring you along to show you our recent litter of Oxford and Sandy black piglets. This is Mum, Penelope. She's a first time mum and she has 6 piglets that all look really well. And here they are. Welcome to our indoor space. This area is generally used during the winter months when it's too wet to be able to use the paddocks outside. We have 2 farrowing bays in here, one at the far end and one at the front. The one at the front we tend to use for our gilts, just so that we can keep an eye on them. And the rest that are in here will obviously be off to the shop. It's just easier to bring them in for ease of loading. The gates in this area all swing back and swing forward, so the area in front of me can be easily mucked out and therefore keeps their bedded areas nice and clean. In this area we have 4 paddocks. This is one of them. Pip here has got 10 piglets that are nearly 3 weeks old. Also in this area we have another paddock just here, and if we swing round there are 2 more paddocks. The far paddock is Richard, who's currently got 3 ladies with him at the moment. And here we have feeding time. This is our quarantine bay. When any new animal comes onto the farm, for biosecurity reasons, they're kept in quarantine for 3 weeks. Billy Bucket arrived with us at the beginning of May and has recently got a young lady to keep him company. This is Pepper. Billy Bucket was on the BIP scheme through the Oxford and Sandy Black charity. Our suckler herd of native red poll cattle. Why did we choose red poll? They are native to Norfolk and Suffolk. They have a great temperament, easy and quiet to handle. They are fantastic mothers. They're naturally polled and produce exceptional beef which is rich and full of flavour. And here they are. And this is Olive. Hi Olive. My husband's family have been at Green Farm since 1854, and our 2 children, who are both involved on the farm, are the 7th generation. We are all passionate about helping to encourage wildlife. We have planted native hedgerows and various trees around the farm. We don't use any chemicals or fertiliser on our grazing or herbal clover lays, which are used for winter feed. We have various bird boxes up around the farm, such as barn owl, tawny owl, swallow, swift and bat boxes too. All of our fields have grass margins to help encourage as much wildlife as possible. Our hedgerows are trimmed on a 2-yearly rotation, so some of the hedges can rest. We grow herbal lays, clover mixed grasses for grazing, silage and hay. We also grow feed barley, malting barley and feed wheat. This also provides us with straw, and the barley is used as a portion of our Oxford and Sandy Black pig feed, which is rolled on farm. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.